Hope Uzōdinmà have invited more than 1,000 army to come and battle with Biafra Liberation Army. No be small thing o. I say if you see the convoy of buses where this army are full inside, and the Biafra Liberation Army don come outside come say why 1,000 they should make it 3,000, that they are going to buy all of them for inside Biafra land. We'll go find out how this thing take happen. Oh, hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time we come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you know say na the first time, you know say you never give this channel a follow, wait till they wait for now, or I may quickly do so, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you know they miss our update. Turn your notification bell because we dey here to update you back to back as it dey hot. We will jump inside the matter where we get for our hand today. No be small thing and they say Biafra Liberation Army update. That they come bring this update come say they get information say Hope Uzōdinmà Nigeria Army they come with thousands of military in order way for them to come na battle. Now the Biafra Liberation Army come aside say make am 3,000 so that it go dey them easy to reduce the number. We go play the video, make you listen from beginning to end before you go talk say you know hear where dem talk am. We'll play the video before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
We have an information and I want the world to know and Nigeria to also know that we are not afraid of anything. The buses loaded of army that is coming to Olu come fast. We know that you people have hired a lot of machinery, more than 2,000. Yes, to come and die in Olu. No shaking. We are waiting for you. We have received your information and we are prepared waiting for you. Okay? You will know that same God who stand with Moses destroy the army of Egypt. He never changed. It's still the same God that our forefather known. The same God that we are serving. It doesn't matter how many you are. I will keep telling you this. It does not really matter how many you are. If you like, hire the whole army of the war and bring them to BiafraLand. Now here then go all perish. At the end, you understand that this is not us. It is the spirit of Biafra that is fighting the war. At the end, you get to understand of the truth that this war is not about gun and bullet. It's beyond that. Then you understand that Biafra is a spirit. Biafra is our religion. It's not just a country. And I will keep telling you that at the end of this war, Biafra must be a free nation. So come as many as you are. Are you sure you have come as many? Because according to the buses I see, it's not up to 100. I know it is 18 seaters bus, 18 seaters, but it's not up to 100 now. 18 times 100 supposed to be. Let me do the calculation and tell you that the number you are coming might not. You don't really withstand the heat. 18 times 100 is 1,800. If I'm not correct. I think I'm correct. 1,800. Yes. So 18 times 200, it should be 3,600. Yes, 3,600. 18 times 200 should be 3,600. Why don't you make it 3,600? Huh? Because this one you carry come, they no go fit to. They no go even last reach one full day. They will not last reach one full day. The ground of Biafra is hungry for some days now. I swear to you, it's hungry. So you coming with a few soldier, it's not much. Hope, please beg Tunumbu to beg England, to beg whosoever that they need to beg, to deploy as many as, say that this 1,800 is not enough. Try in double it to be 3,600. Okay? Now I'm begging you. Try double it so that they will come and die, because the ground of Biafra have been opening its mouth for a long time, waiting for you people. You are welcome. Welcome to the land of death. You are all welcome to the land of death. So bring the fight fast and let's see how it goes. This is the land of our ancestors. We go nowhere. So we have received your information, and I will not lie to you. We already prepare a very delicious soup for you to take welcome you into the land of the living ghost. So tell them that they are welcome. Tell them they are welcome. That in this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. Then the world will know that this is the portion whom Chukwukika gave to our forefather, that gave to our forefather, that gave to our father, that gave to us. And we are taking an oath to hand over this land to our children and our children's children unborn, without the presence of any terrorists called Nigeria, any terrorists known as Fulani, any terrorists known as Yoruba, any terrorists known as Britain. Their presence will never be found in the land of the rising sun, the land of Biafra. That our children will enjoy this land in a good faith. That is the oath we have taken. So anybody or whosoever that think they are capable, or they have power, or they have what it takes to stop us, let the person step forward and see if he can go back alive. That is what I can say for now. Thank you very much, lovers of freedom. I thank you very much, my fellow congregants. I thank you very much that will share this message until it reach them. Tell them that 1,800 is not enough. Even 3,600 is not enough. Let them come with as many. Because in this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. If they come in million, they will die in million. If they come in 1,000, they will fall in 1,000. If they come in 100, they will fall in 100. If they come in 10 and unit, so shall it therefore. And then if they think we are joking, until all of them die finish, before their eye will clear them. And this restoration of Biafra, now then go take their mouth like this, they beg us, where we go. Because we must surely bring Nigeria down to the dust. If you know, you know. If you don't know, nothing we can do for you to know. Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Long live Simon Ekpa. Long live Biafra Liberation Army. Long live all the forces that is fighting to liberate Biafra. Long live to all Biafrans, good wishers of Biafrans, home and abroad. Long live to the land of the rising sun, until all will hear Biafra. I thank you very much. Remain blessed until I come your way another day or another time. From me.
Yeah, my wonderful people, yeah, welcome back. As you have watched that video, no be smart, you know. You don't hear as the TikTok app. They say that the information is accurate. That say those army will come from Nigeria. Say they don't dey down for inside Biafra land. And this is a message where this Biafra Liberation Army send give them. Hello, my people. Share this video. I tried to bring out the video, but I could not. So maybe if I be able to do it, I'll bring it in the next video to show you when they are coming in. Okay, my people, we'll see you for the next update. Try to share the video and leave your own opinion in comment section. Thank you.